Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. In 1955, a woman in Morocco went into labor and needed a C section. Terrified of the procedure, she fled the hospital and never gave birth. 46 years later, stomach pains revealed a calcified stone baby in her womb. A man getting to hear music on a record player 1922. Settler family on the American prairie in the 1880s. The 1500-year-old Barabar caves in Bihar, carved from granite, reflect ancient India's artistry. Reindeer cyclones can go on for 10 days before they die with 50 km per hour. An angry kangaroo is seen knocking out a woman for trying to photograph him 1960s. Injured cows are airlifted by helicopter from the mountains to the wet in Switzerland. Train travel in the 1890s. Soldier coming home to his daughter after World War II 1945. Leopard with deep scars on its face caught on camera. A Little French Girl and an American Soldier 1945. Photographer captures bald eagle couple who just started a family. Photographer waited on bridge in the morning to capture carpoolers in Mexico. Helen, an American Indian telephone and switchboard operator, Montana 1925. Four generations circa 1905. Google's former motto was "Don't be evil." A candle's flame contains millions of microscopic diamonds. Forks were once considered a tool of the devil. The Roman Empire taxed urine. The American water bird that can hunt underwater without getting wet due to its hydrophobic feathers. Women wrote nearly all early Japanese literature. Magellan's expedition, which began with approximately 270 crew members aboard 5 ships, concluded nearly 3 years later with only 18 survivors returning on a single vessel. Green eyes are rarer than blue. The Navajo Nation is the largest Native American tribe. The soles of your shoes harbor more bacteria than what's on your toilet seat. Sardar Patel's The Statue of Unity is the tallest in the world with a height of 182 meters, situated along the Narmada River. The total cost of the project is estimated to be 2,989 crores. Procrastination is not just a matter of willpower or laziness. A new brain scan study finds that procrastination can occur due to difficulties in valuing outcomes or associating outcomes with tasks. Since 1980, every year a horse with a rider and human runners have been competing in man versus horse marathon races. Humans have only won 3 times in 2004, 2007 and 2022. All other times a horse did. If you need to know the number of days in a month, count your knuckles using your left hand. Start at your pinky with January and name the months as you tap each knuckle, including the grooves in between. Months that land on a knuckle have 31 days and months that fall in the grooves have 30 or fewer days. Once you reach July, skip the thumbs and continue to your right hand or start over with August on the pinky of your left. Graham Pendrell, a 57-year-old antiques dealer, Graham donated all his money to charity. He moved to Kenya to help the Masai Mara tribe to solve intertribal issues. He lives in a mud hut and wears sandals and tribal robes and is the only white man to have been initiated into the tribe. Self-driving cars will cruise to avoid paying to park, suggests a new study based on game theory, which found that even when you factor in electricity, depreciation, wear and tear, and maintenance, cruising cost about 50 cents an hour, which is still cheaper than parking even in a small town. Mohammed bin Salam is the crown prince of Saudi Arabia. He booked individual seats for each of his 80 Falcons. He was flying in the United Arab Emirates and the airlines took special care of the prince's prized possessions. The reason that Mike Myers ended up playing the cat in the hat was because he was sued after cancelling on a prior project. He settled, and one of the terms of the agreement in the settlement was he would take a lead in another film by director Bo Welk, who ended up directing The Cat in the Hat. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, a physicist whose insights into the life and death of stars transformed our understanding of the universe. Born on October 19, 1910 in Lahore, then British India, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar showed extraordinary promise in science from a young age, earning a scholarship to Cambridge University at just 19. His groundbreaking work defined the Chandrasekhar limit, showing that stars with a mass greater than 1.4 times the Sun will collapse into neutron stars or black holes after their nuclear fuel is exhausted. In 1983, Chandrasekhar received the Nobel Prize in Physics, honoring his pioneering contributions to the study of stellar evolution and compact stars. NASA named the Chandra X-ray Observatory after him, a fitting tribute to his stellar contribution to understanding cosmic phenomena. The pursuit of science is a combination of conflicting emotions, wonder, fear, awe, and joy. Thanks for watching.